The last debate, the final test. Which man is the strongest leader on the world stage? And there is the stage for the two candidates, the presidential candidates in Boca Raton, Florida, and Reading. They will be sitting near each other, very near each other, as a new ABC News Washington Post poll out tonight shows they're in a dead heat. You can see the numbers right there. With just 15 days to go until Americans get to the polls, it's your voice, your vote, and our team is on the ground in Boca Raton tonight. ABC's Jake Tapper leading us off. Jake.
Good evening, Diane. That's right, it is crunch time. This is the last chance both candidates have to deliver their messages directly to tens of millions of voters, unfiltered. And as that new ABC News Washington Post poll indicates, this race is either man's to lose. President Obama arrived in Palm Beach County this afternoon, where skies are blue, but a debate storm is brewing. Mitt Romney seems to have some momentum, but our poll underscores a problem for him. A majority of likely voters continues to think a President Romney would favor the wealthy rather than the middle class, 54 to 33%.
What he's selling is not a 5-point plan. It's really just a 1-point plan. Folks at the top get to play with a different set of rules than you do.
By contrast, 66% of voters think the president has done more to favor the middle class over the wealthy. And a majority says he better understands the economic problems people in this country are having. Though some good news for Romney, overall he has a slight numerical edge in who voters trust to handle the economy.
We cannot endure 4 more years, and that's why we're going to replace him in 18 days.
The new poll also highlights the largest gender gap we've seen yet in this election. The president has a 14-point lead among women, a group he's been fighting hard to keep in his camp.
But when it comes to issues critical to women, Governor Romney wants to take us to policies more suited to the 1950s.
Romney has a 12-point advantage among men. He took time out from debate prep to coach a flag football game in Delray Beach.
It's very simple, guys. Figure out which of their players is best and take them out early.
The New York Times polling blogger says that according to his formula, if only women voted, President Obama would turn enough states blue to be on track for a landslide. While if only men voted, Romney would cut a stomping swath of Reagan-esque red. Of course, the world does not look like that, which is one of the reasons why it's so close. And Diane, one thing to keep in mind for tonight, the debates have really helped Mitt Romney. Our poll indicates 37% of voters say they have a more favorable impression of Mr. Romney because of his performance in the previous 2 debates.